channel, and welcome to a walk through Mercado de Leiria, the Leiria marketplace, held every Tuesday and Saturday at the stadium of Leiria, where they're normally playing soccer, but it's a giant, kind of what we refer to as kind of a swap meet, but it's a marketplace with some secondhand goods, some homemade goods, and lots of opportunities to shop locally, get to know people, buy some great products, and we will take you through the marketplace so you can see what we see. Now, this is just a great opportunity for those gardeners out there who want organic, free, no pesticide, grow it yourself, do it yourself kind of living. There's all kinds of seedlings and veggies already started, plants, trees, so that you can grow them yourself, so you know you're getting the healthiest and the best. So as always, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, hit those thumbs up, make sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified, and remember that all information is underneath every video. We hope you enjoyed this stroll through the marketplace in Leiria. We also took you through one in Caldas, and we have much more to come as we take you through the Silver Coast and beyond in Portugal to show you Portuguese living. And our trip wouldn't be complete if we didn't buy a little something that we needed when we came out here. So this guy definitely caught our attention, that makes handcrafted fireplace covers and other things outside. So we did snag a nice little item for our home, as you guys will see in an upcoming picture, and it definitely made the trip worthwhile, and we will be back.